On Monday, August 12, SpaceX successfully launched 23 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit aboard a Falcon 9 rocket. The launch occurred at 6:37 AM EDT 10:37 GMT from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, following an aborted attempt the previous day. On Sunday, SpaceX had pushed the launch to the end of its 3.5-hour window, only to abort the mission with just 46 seconds left in the countdown. Although the company did not immediately provide a reason for the abort, they later confirmed via X that the rocket was in good health and ready for a second attempt. The Falcon 9, topped with the 23 Starlink spacecraft, lifted off smoothly on Monday. After successfully reaching space, the rocket's first stage made a precise landing on the droneship a Shortfall of Gravitas, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean, approximately 8 minutes after liftoff. This marked the 17th successful launch and landing for this particular booster, showcasing the reliability of SpaceX's reusable rocket technology. About 64 minutes after launch, the Falcon 9's upper stage deployed the 23 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, further expanding SpaceX's growing satellite internet constellation. This launch was part of a busy weekend for SpaceX, which included launching 21 additional Starlink satellites from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station on Saturday, August 10. Additionally, on Sunday evening, another Falcon 9 rocket lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, carrying 2 satellites for the Arctic Satellite Broadband Mission ASBM. The ASBM is designed to provide crucial coverage in the Arctic for the U.S. Space Force and Space Norway. SpaceX's rapid launch cadence highlights the company's ongoing commitment to expanding global internet coverage and supporting strategic defense missions.